We'll demonstrate Hungarian braided chain stitch. Come up at left of line. Stitch one small stitch forward. This stitch shouldn't be too long. About this length is fine. Continue forward about 1 segment distance and come up. Then thread needle below first segment. Note here, only thread, not fabric. Return to just now exit point and take down here. Now second step is complete. Continue forward 1 segment distance and come up. Thread needle through first step stitched segment. Pull thread. When pulling thread here, suggest not pulling too tight. Leave small loop on fabric. Then take down at same exit position. Again, don't pull thread tight. Leave small loops on both top and bottom. This completes third step. Continue forward short distance and come up. Thread needle from below, second step stitch. Note when threading needle. This loop we just reserved. It should be below needle, not above needle. Push needle downward. Catch needle on second step segment. Pull thread below. Can see when pulling thread. This loop will move. We apply slight force. Thread pulls through. Here, same as third step. Again, take down at same position. Leave small loops on both top and bottom on fabric. Don't pull tight. Again, forward about 1 stitch distance and come up. Same as previous step. Catch needle below third step stitch. Again, only thread, not fabric. Then pull thread below. If thread doesn't pull well, can use needle to slightly adjust it. Tidy up. Don't pull too tight here. Then return to same position and take down. Continue forward 1 segment distance and come up. Again, catch needle below previous stitch. These stitches on both sides. Always keep open state. Let it present loop on fabric. Each time, first wrap outer loop. Then take down at same position. Then come up ahead. Catch needle in inner loop. Pull thread tight. Let it present continuous and interlocking. 3-dimensional chain stitch with braid texture. When stitching, slow down movements. Otherwise, easy to make mistakes. If this loop moves when stitching, can use finger to press it down. This way can ensure it won't move. Convenient for our embroidery. This stitch looks like a small braid. Very suitable for some woven decoration or line expression. All can stitch good effects. Last stitch. We directly pull thread. Don't leave loop here. Directly pull thread all way. Note, don't pull too tight here. Must maintain balanced tension throughout stitching. Pulling too tight may look wrinkled. Take down at this position. This Hungarian braided chain stitch is complete. Let's see the finished effect.